It's raining. Saya, ano. Hi. So we are gonna go fishing. Beach side. And it's raining, so I'm gonna get a little wet. Huh? Wala kami. I'm taping myself. So this is so cool here. Nakapagtampisaw na rin si Bisayang Ilocana. Kasi wala namang beach sa Vegas. Ako, mabaon ang ating ano, chinelas. Wow. So, it's kind of cloudy. Pero pag lumagpas na yung ulap dyan, tabunan yung sun, it's gonna be very bright and sunny. So I asked them here and they said that ito talaga yung typical na weather dito. Yung umaaraw, umuulan. Wow! Kaya hindi ka talaga ready kung anong magiging araw mo dito. But, let's see. Diba ako dadalhin itong tour guide ko? Nauna na sila. Okay. Yan. Lakad natin. Find all the way here. And we're gonna go all the way up there. So, ako ba mag-fishing? Anong nandito? We're here on top, kind of like a cliff. And look what we got here. Ooh, wow. Wow. Just wow.
Kita ka na upihi.
Yan.
Ha?
Are those oysters?
Sir.
Are those oysters?
Let's go. I'll show you upihi. Ayun, upihi ano? Kita mo yan? So, tingnan mo yung tinatangan mo. Yan. Yan, upihi. Yan, kita ba? Yan, upihi.
Bawal. Ay ko. Basa na ako. Ah, yan sinasabi nila. Be careful. Huwag kang tumalikod sa tubig. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Bye-bye. Such a beautiful place, such a paradise here in Kauai, Hawaii. Yun, nakakita tayo ng seal na nagre-relax lang. And then I noticed, tingin siya ng tingin sa akin. So nagpo-pose siya, tapos tumitingin siya sa akin, tapos nagbo-move, tingin na naman siya sa akin hanggang sa, ayun nga, umalis na siya. So yun, if you see stuff like that, don't get too close, just let them be. You're invading their space and just let them go. Bayaan mo sila, nag-chill lang sila. And this is their place, this is their territory. Nakiki-ano lang tayo, nakiki-invade lang tayo, okay? So, yan. I think the seal is still there, na ano pa siya, nakikita ko pa siya. Hindi siya umalis na malayo, nandiyan lang siya somewhere. I can still see the back. And actually, there's now 2 or 3 of them. Either seal or pating yata itong nakikita ko. But either way, ano, parang paano na sila, palayo na sila. So ayun, whatever this place is na pinagdalhan sa akin, it's worth the hike. And talagang napakaganda, napakaganda. I don't care kung ano ako, sunburn.
Ah, should bring the oh.
Be careful, honey, because it could be slippery up there.
In this new game, this game that I really wanted, I always wanted to do.
Must be nice to have a house in here. But it's scary at night. Might have some how you call those giant thing. There's the sun.
The one you feed the goat
Yeah. Goat, rabbit.
with a tiny horn.
Uh-huh.
Chi.
Yep. I like the smell. Smell fresh. Smell grass. Grassy. I like to fish over here at night. It's good to fish over here at night. When nobody, it's good to fish over here at night time. When nobody is here. Oh, it's low tide. It was high earlier, right? Right there, there's a lot of rock in there. Oh, there's a chicken. Hello. Aloha. Chicken. Chicken manok.
Go home.
I wanna take picture there. Oh,
Careful.
hindi ko na makita eh. Sayang, Ilocana is buying ice cream. Hello.
And I'll get the brownie.
Sayang, Ilocana is in the house.
Do a brownie.
Oh, ice cream here in
I'll do
We're getting the
Oreo cookie crunch.
Hopia.
We're getting the ube hopia.
Opia.
Whatever.
Hopia.
And then I'll get the affogato. I want to see how they make the affogato here. So I fell in love with the affogato at Captain Six in Las Vegas. Ayan guys. So to end this night, or to end our first day here in Kauai, we were invited to go have dinner with one of Beb's friends and now my friends na. And dito tayo sa bahay nila. I feel sad kasi parang na ano ko yung Pinas, para talaga siyang Pinas dito sa dito sa lugar na to. Ayan oh, may malunggay sila. Ayan. Oh, papaya. Papaya. Mangga! Oh my gosh! Ayan o. Mangga! Kita nyo? Wow!
May manok pa doon, no? Kita may manok?
Ayun, ayun. Manok. Talong. Saging. More malunggay. Yung parang yung feeling niya is ano talaga, Pinas. Kulang na lang dito mga kapatid ko. Ayan, yung bahay nila. It feels like home, but makes me feel sad. Tabi-tabi po. Daan lang po. Ayan. So they prepared something for us for dinner. They grilled something. Tapos yun, we're gonna end our night here. Then balik sa Banyan. And then call it a day. So ayan. Yeah. Very laid back. Kasi ano, iba yung feeling. I miss home now. So ayan, let's have fun with them. Mga balay diri sa Kauai, Hawaii. Mararatawag dira sa Pinas, pati ilang mga tanom. Ang poste. Makamis. As in, mura ra gyud siya balay, mura ra gyud siya Pinas diri. Pati ang weather. Mura na ilahang ano diri. Tapoy mga adunahan, pero majority ingon ani lang. Daghan kay manok. Maski asa ka mo tan-aw daghang manok.
Di naman. Di kayo mamangan.
Anong tawag nito, ate? Tulya. Tulya.
Tulya sa Tagalog ba yun?
Wala ba ito?
Oo.
Sarap. Super.
Meron bang chicken? Yan na lang.
Oh. Chicken. Tsaka grilled pork. Yan. Simpleng salo-salo. Pero napakasarap. Mga unta, mga tayon. Kain po.
Picture.
Ayan guys, so finally nakabalik na tayo dito sa Banyan Harbor. Dito kami magsistay while we're here in Kauai. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first day here in Kauai, Hawaii. Thank you so much, Bev, for the great day today. So ayun, nakapasyal tayo. It feels like yung araw na to was jam-packed with so much stuff. Parang feeling ko, ang haba-haba nitong araw na to at ang dami-daming nangyari. Which is good kasi talagang nag-enjoy ako and I had a really good time. So, I met a lot of people. I met new friends, his relatives, his friends, yung mga kilala nila dito. Finally, na-meet ko na. So, ayun, I'm very, very not helpful. I'm very, very grateful. Ayun pala, yun yung word ko. I'm very grateful for all of them, making me feel at home. and making me feel like I belong to their family. So thank you so much. Mwah, mwah. I love you all. And ayun, mag-good night na po si Bisayang Ilocana kasi talagang pagod. I feel so exhausted and I need some rest. So ayun guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Facebook page is also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. Mahalo.